Hello my friends, I am Obaida again. I am certain that no one in the world can endure one day in Gaza or experience what we are suffering for just 24 hours. We are literally in the middle of hell. Since yesterday the bombing has been insane. It's as if the day of judgment has risen again. Please don't stop supporting us and be a source of hope for us. Every dollar counts and every share helps. Thank you.